OnePlus Buds Pro Radiant Silver. OnePlus Buds Pro True Wireless Stereo, TWS, earphones that were released in August 2021 are getting a new color variant. They are currently available in glossy white and matte black color options. Now, a radiant silver option has been listed on the official India website of the company. This color option is expected to be unveiled during the OnePlus 10 Pro launch event on March 31st. The OnePlus Buds Pro come with premium features such as active noise cancellation, ANC, and have a claimed battery life of up to 38 hours with a charging case. OnePlus Buds Pro Radiant Silver price, availability. The OnePlus Buds Pro Radiant Silver model is currently listed on the official OnePlus India website. The listing mentions that these earphones will be priced at 9,990 rupees, same as the other color options of the earphones. OnePlus Buds Pro specifications. The OnePlus Buds Pro TWS earphones pack 11mm dynamic drivers that are tuned to deliver rich bass and are enhanced by Dolby Atmos support. They feature a gaming mode that can offer a 94 milliseconds low latency connection. These earphones feature Bluetooth V5.2 connectivity with support for low latency high definition audio codec, LHDC. OnePlus Buds Pro also includes smart adaptive noise cancellation technology, which is claimed to offer up to 40 decibels of external noise attenuation. Furthermore, they are equipped with 3 microphones that are claimed to be calibrated for wind and noise reduction for a clear calling experience. According to the company, OnePlus Buds Pro can provide up to 38 hours of playtime with a charging case. They can use Warp Charge technology to gain 10 hours of playback time with just 10 minutes of charging. These TWS earphones are also Qi certified for wireless charging support. OnePlus Buds Pro feature a proprietary audio ID technology that is said to automatically calibrate the sound profile after the user takes a personalization test. The earphones are also rated at IP55 for dust and water resistance. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.